Testing, testing. I'm trying to test audio quality. Outside of the case is fine. I'm gonna speak into the microphone. We're out of the case right now. The microphone appears to be over here. Hopefully this can be heard. Now I'm gonna put it in its protective case and I'm gonna try it again. As you can see, there does not appear to be any way for sound to exit the case, which, yeah, I know it's supposed to be waterproof, but let's see what happens. So, closing the case now. I'm recording now. The microphone is going to be on the right side, my left side. I don't think you're going to be able to hear any of this. I will talk really close to it, see if you can hear any audio from it at all. I'm moving it around. I'm speaking at all different angles of the device. Alright, I was speaking the whole time there, moving the camera around, trying to see if I could hear anything. Let's plug it in and see what we can hear. Alright.